Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on understanding update sets. In my previous videos, I have already explained about update set states, customer updates, default update sets, and more. In today's video, we will learn how to batch and merge update sets in ServiceNow. Along with that, we will also see how to manage parent update sets to keep your update sets more organized and structured. Before we get started, why do we need batch and merge update sets? In large projects, there will be multiple update sets created by different developers or for different modules. Managing a large number of update sets can become very challenging, especially when it comes to tracking changes and maintaining the correct sequence during deployments. To address this, ServiceNow has provided two approaches to manage multiple update sets as a single unit: batch update sets and merge update sets. Both of these methods help in organizing and simplifying the deployment process, but each comes with its own use cases and limitations. Let's get started. Batch update sets allows you to group multiple update sets together, enabling bulk previewing and committing of changes and organizing them into a parent-child hierarchy to maintain order and to avoid conflicts. Let's first see batch update sets. Navigate to System Update Sets and click on Local Update Sets. Create a new update set. This will be our parent update set. Give it a meaningful name. Now open each update set that you wish to batch together, and in the parent, give the name of the parent update set that you have just created. Click on Update. Do the same to the other update sets as well. Click on Update. Once this is done, all the batched update sets will be listed under the parent update set. Scroll down to the update sets in batch related list. Here you can see the list of all the update sets in the batch. The main advantage here is when the parent update set is marked as complete, all the child update sets will also be considered complete. Let's check. Here you can see all the three update sets are marked as complete. Now, let's see what merge update sets are. To use this, open the update set where other update sets need to be merged. Use the related link Merge Update Sets at the bottom. Apply the filter to select the update sets that need to be merged together. This will combine all changes from the selected update sets into a single update set. Give the update set a meaningful name. Only the latest customer updates are moved to the merged update set. Now click on Merge. Do remember, once update sets are merged, they cannot be unmerged. So be careful before merging. Make sure the changes are finalized and the update sets are complete. Click on OK. As you can see, the update sets have been merged and all the customer updates have moved to the new merged update set. Hope this video helped you understand the concept of batch and merge update sets in ServiceNow. Now, we have all the update sets organized and ready to migrate. In our next video, we shall see how to deploy our developments to other instances. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.